Welcome to EnglishSpeakingCourse.com. Today's topic is relocating to another city for a job conversation. Listen, read, and then repeat.
Hi, Justin. How are you doing? Hey, Mary. I'm doing good. What about you? You look quite happy. What happened? Oh, yes, Justin. Finally, my dream has come true. And what is that, if I may ask? I got a job in XYZ Media House in New Jersey. Wow, but this was obvious. Congratulations. Thank you so much, Justin. So, don't I deserve a treat? And you cannot shy away. I'm so sorry, Justin. This time it won't be possible. But I promise, I definitely owe you one. Oh, not an issue. I completely understand. Now you might be having a lot of formalities to take care of. As expected. In fact, my joining is on the next Monday, so I have to hurry a bit. Well, that's too quick. I guess they should have given you sufficient time to gather yourself and wrap up your priorities. Never mind, I'm all set to fly. Just a bit of things left to sort out and I'm done. I'm happy for you. By the way, is this company providing you accommodation and traveling with other perks? Yes, the company is taking care of everything, so I don't need to worry about it. That's really cool. I hope you read all the points in your appointment letter. Actually, I haven't received the appointment letter yet. They said I will receive it once I resume. But they have already booked the flight tickets for me. Oh, come on, Mary. How can you just travel to another city and join a company when you aren't appointed legally? But the HR manager, Jack, who works for that company, has assured me that on my arrival I will be receiving the appointment letter. That's totally unprofessional on their part. Or I must say, it's unethical too. I suggest you fly only once you get the appointment letter. I understand your concern, but the job is really tempting, and I can't let go this opportunity. You are getting lured into this trap, Mary. I guess you are overthinking, Justin. No, I don't think so. As a friend, I will advise you to demand the appointment letter before you fly. Okay, as you say, I will shoot an email to them right away. Now that you get this, if they do not provide you the appointment letter before you fly, then it's better to forget this job. Are you serious? Yes, of course. Mary, you are very talented and any company would be more than happy to hire you. So wouldn't it be wise to choose a company which follows due diligence in the hiring process? Maybe you are right. Please don't get me wrong, but as a friend, I cannot see you taking wrong decisions. But ultimately, it will always be your call. I get you, Justin, and it does make sense. How could I not think on these pointers? Anyways, thanks a lot for alerting me, Justin. My pleasure. I'm glad I could be of some help to you.
Did you like my video? If yes, then please follow these steps in an order. First, hit the subscribe button. Once it grays out, you will notice a bell icon show up next to it. Hit this bell icon too, so that you always get all the latest updates from this channel in your email. And then, like and share my videos within your network.